how to get a refund from Adobe after subscription error. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is of course log into your Adobe. What you can actually do is get into account.adobe.com, or you can simply tap on the profile icon right here on your Adobe and make sure you're logged into your account, right? So after making sure you're logged into your account, of course you need to now check the cancellation window. Note that the Adobe provides automated full refunds if cancelled within 14 days of initial purchase. So if it has not been more than 14 days, you can simply cancel the purchase and you will actually be getting your full refund back. Now in here, if it has become like more than 14 days, now what you can actually do is simply try to contact the support. So like I said, you can actually, like if it has been more than 14 days, you can simply try to contact the Adobe help support. What you can do is simply tap on the menu bar on the top left corner. Here, I'm pretty sure around here you'll be able to find their help center, or else you can simply tap on your profile icon right here, and in here like I think you'll be able to get that help center around here, or you can simply like go through your browser, and in here what you can actually do is simply search for Adobe Help Center, just like this too. Alright, so after searching for Adobe Help Center, here you can see their help center. Get into their help center, and in here you can actually try to contact them and tell them about the refund. I am not sure about it, but you can actually try to get your refund back. Hope you guys get that one. So yeah, that is it.